Welcome to Market Mindset University. We created this platform for beginner traders and those who've tested the markets but feel unprepared or perhaps defeated. We know because we've been there. In fact, every successful trader began with uncertainty and doubt. We built MMU to replace fear with clarity and confidence. Our lessons are built on time-tested strategies taught to us by Payne of Fox Business, principles that have made him one of the most respected voices in global trading. Far too many traders learn from entertainers, not true educators. At MMU, we don't promote hype, we promote doctrine. Every lesson is structured to build discipline. Trading is 90% mental, like a chess match. You'll learn to move with purpose, not react in fear. Learn to outmaneuver your opponent before you invest $1. Here's what we know. Kobe practiced every day. Jordan mastered the fundamentals. Greatness comes from repetition. Proper training prevents poor performance because when you believe in yourself, the profits will follow. So before you place your first real trade, here's what to do next. Step 1. Download your beginner's quick start guide. Inside, you'll find your trader's toolbox, the essentials to get started, your roadmap to profits, a clear path to follow, and the tools to build confidence as you learn. Step 2. Set up your trading simulator. This is where mastery begins. Train before you trade. Practice your strategy. Develop your edge before you ever risk $1. Step 3. Study the basics. Learn the language of the market. Spot candlestick patterns. Understand support and resistance. Learn to execute with precision.
If you've ever traded before, you already know. There are only 2 ways to learn. You either practice with paper money or you practice by losing money. The Quick Start Guide was created to help you overcome the fear of loss, to build confidence before you ever risk $1. Welcome to our classroom. Once you've completed these 3 steps, you're ready for your next lesson. Watch this video next. We'll meet you there.